A system of equations is when we have two or more linear equations. For our course, we're going to focus on just two linear equations. And typically, we're going to have one solution to this system. And a solution for a system of equations is simply the point of intersection between the two lines. All right, so this will be our most common problem that we're working with. You got two lines with different slopes. They cross each other. The point where they cross is called the intersection point, and that is the solution. So the solution is always going to be made up of a point, x, comma, y. Okay, what's so special about that point? That's the only point that is on both lines, right? If you think about that orange line, there's a plethora of points that are on that line, infinite number of points on that line. Look at that blue line, infinite number of points on that blue line. But that point of intersection is the only point that is on both the orange line and the blue line. All right. Now, there are a couple special cases I want you to be aware of. If you have two lines that are parallel, they will never cross. Okay. So therefore, there'll be no point of intersection. So in that special situation, we'd have no solution. All right. And then there's another special case. Sometimes we can give you a system where they're sneaky and they give you the exact same line. They just give you two different forms for the same line, right? They might give you one in slope-intercept form and one's in standard form. So you can't recognize it when you just look at the equations that they're the same line. But if you actually graphed it, you'd see the line goes on top of the other line, the exact same line. So in that case, every point on the one line intersects with the other point on the other line. So therefore, we have infinite solutions. Now, we're going to be learning how to solve these three different ways. We're going to learn how to solve it by graphing. We're going to learn how to solve them two ways by algebraic methods, one being a method called substitution method and another method called elimination.